May 2018, on the Smulders dock in Vlissingen, the Netherlands. The jacket foundation for the offshore substation is ready to sail towards the North Sea. In the early morning, 2,400 tons are rolled inch by inch on the so-called SPMT modules towards the floating pontoon. SPMT modules are modular trailers specifically built for transporting heavy loads on an own drive and a joint steering system. On the 28th of May, it's finally time to leave the harbor. The floating pontoon is pulled towards the construction field by multiple seagoing tugboats during a 2-day-long journey. Upon arrival, the world's largest crane vessel, Fialf, takes over and installs the jacket. It's firmly anchored to the seabed with 8 piles. June 2018, Antwerp, Belgium. The offshore substation is also ready to start its journey. 50 meters long, 30 meters high. Weighing around 4,000 tons with 3 transformers, the Hohe offshore substation will be the largest one in the North Sea. It takes 3 hours to load the Colossus on a floating pontoon. Again, the SPMT module is used to move the offshore substation. Final preparations for sea transport are completed. All major components and movable materials are lashed down. The tanks are emptied, and the welded seams for the transportation brackets have undergone final inspection. On the 18th of June, everything is ready, and the offshore substation is put to sea. A few days later, the offshore substation arrives at the Hohe construction field, some 95 kilometers north of Borkum and some 100 kilometers northwest of Helgoland. Fialf is again ready and waiting. At 2 o'clock in the morning on the 28th of June, the offshore substation is lifted and fitted by Fialf to the already installed jacket. Each of the 2 cranes has an approved capacity of around 7,000 tons. Over the next few days, there's a lot to do for the first crew on the offshore substation to finish all necessary welding works and related tasks in order to complete the installation.